Howdy, this is Big Mike, and today we are looking at a 1960 Studebaker Champ. What was pretty unique about these are the first pickup to ever offer a full-width sliding rear window. Now these were made from 1960 to 1964, and this was actually the last pickup that Studebaker made. The motors you could go ahead and get ranging from 170 cubic inch at 90 horsepower, 245 big 6, or if you wanted more power, they had the 259 cubic inch with 180 horsepower, or the 289 cubic inch with 210. So you had a lot of variety of engines on that. Now this truck is over at Casa Grand, Arizona, and it's at the Desert Valley Auto Parts. It's in their project car area. So if you're interested, give them a holler. If it's still available, maybe you can pick yourself up a nice truck. I just wanted to kind of let you take a look around and enjoy this truck. This is a nice project for somebody, so hopefully we can find a good home for it.